How to know has someone blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. In today's video, we're going to answer a popular question. How can you tell if someone has blocked you on Instagram or if they've deleted their account? If you've been wondering this, let's stick around. The easiest way to check if someone has blocked you is to search for their profile. If you can't find them by searching their username, it could have meant they've either deleted their account or blocked you. But don't jump to conclusion yet, because there is one more step you can do. Like, if you've interacted with this person before, like they've liked your post or commented on your photos, go back to those old posts and see if their comments or likes were gone. It's a strong indication that they may have blocked you. But again, this doesn't guarantee they blocked you, because the next sign is super important. Go to their DMs and find the conversation. If you find the chat but the profile picture is missing, or if it shows deleted or user not found, that's another solid sign that they've either blocked you. But what if the conversation is completely gone? That could mean that they've deleted the account or they've blocked you and removed the conversation. All right, so those are the signs that shows that someone have may blocked you. But now let's talk about the second scenario. How can you tell if someone has deleted their account? When you search for the profile, if nothing comes off, it could have mean that they deleted their account. If it's just not showing, there's a chance they've completely removed their profile from Instagram. Just like with blocking, if their likes or comments are missing from your posts, it's possible they've deleted their account. But here's the thing, you'll see that their profile is completely gone. No profile picture, no username, just a blank space. Now, another way to see is go to follows, and here you can see deactivated accounts. Here, if the person has deactivated or deleted their account, it will show up in your deactivated accounts. If not, then it usually means that they have blocked you. So this is the way you can find out if someone has blocked you or deleted their account.